Hello everyone, welcome back. I'll continue the same chapter, speed, distance and time. In this video, I'll be doing sums from exercise 17b. I have done question number 1, question number 4. Let's do 5 onwards. Similar questions so that you can practice from the exercise. Question number 5. It says that which speed is greater? First, speed equal to, it is 36 km per hour, and second case, speed equal to, let's take 15 meter per second. You need to do the comparison, which speed is greater, and in order to compare the given speed, their unit must be same. First speed is given in meter per second, second one is given in, first one is given in kilometer per hour, second one is given in meter per second. You need to change one of the speed in the same unit. So I am changing this kilometer per hour to meter per second so that I can compare it. 36 multiplies by, when we convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, we multiply by 5 upon 80 and unit changes to meter per second, as I have explained in the previous video. 18 2 times is 36, you get 10 meter per second, and second speed is 15 meter per second. Now compare and see which one is greater. 15 meter per second is greater than 36 kilometer per hour. Look at this one. Convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, then do the comparison. Question number 5 is similar. Question number 6. A and B starts from the same place. A and B start from the same place at the same time with a speed 15 km per hour and 12 km per hour respectively. So you write A, leave some gap and write B. Speed of A is given in the question 15. I am taking it as 30 km per hour. Speed of B. Speed of B is 12, so let's take it as 24 km per hour. Find the distance between A and B after 6 hours if both move in the same direction. Time is given, which is equals to 6 hours. Time for B is also 6 hours. They are starting from same point. A and B is starting from same point. Question says that moves in the same direction. They are moving in the same direction. And as the speed of A is more, so A will travel longer distance. Speed of B is less compared to A, so B will travel less distance, more distance, less distance. You need to calculate what is the distance between them. So after 6 hours, B reaches here, A reaches here. You need to calculate this distance and see the calculation. How do we solve it? You need to find distance traveled by A. Distance equals to speed into time. You don't have to change it because it is kilometer per hour and time is also given in hour. It is 30 multiplied by 6, 180 kilometer. Similarly, we calculate distance covered by B or traveled by B. Speed into time, 24 into 6. 6 into 4 is 24, 2, 12, 13, 14 kilometer. And as I told you, speed of A is more, so he travels more distance. Speed of B is less, so he is traveling less distance. First one, distance between A and B. When they are traveling in the same distance, you need to subtract 180 minus 144. Subtract, you get 6, 7, 3, 36 kilometer. Second part question says that when they move opposite direction, starting from same point, A is going this side, B is going other side, distance between them, you have to add it up. You don't have to do calculation. Distance between A and B. Since they are moving in opposite directions, so distance will increase. It is 180 plus 144, add it up. You get 4, 12, 3 kilometer. Do the calculation for distance, same direction, you subtract opposite direction, add it up. So solve question number 6 in same manner. Question number 7 is similar. Same question, you try yourself. Question number 9. Question says that a boy swims 200 meters in still water and then returns back to the point in total 10 minutes. So he is swimming 200 meters, starts from A, reaches B, and again returns back to A. And the time taken for total swimming, going back and then again moving forward, going forward and returning back. Total time taken is given in the question. It is 10 minutes. So look at the calculation. Distance. He takes 10 minutes to return back to A. He is traveling and again he is coming back. In total 10 minutes. So the total distance traveled by him is 200 while going and 200 returning, which is equals to 400 meter. Time is given. He takes 10 minutes. Question says that calculate speed in meter per second. We know distance in meter, time is in minutes, so you convert into seconds, multiply by 60, 600 seconds. First part, speed equal to distance divides by time. Distance is 400 divides by 600, you get meter, second, cancel it 2 by 3. 2 by 3 meter per second. Read it like this. You don't have to simplify it. Second part question says that kilometer per hour. Distance we know, time we know, speed in meter per second we know. So straight away we can calculate speed in kilometer per hour. Write down the value which you have in meter per second. 2 by 3. Multiply this by 18 upon 5. When we convert meter per second to kilometer per hour, multiply by 18 upon 5, is 6 times. 6 into 2 is 12 by 5 kilometer per hour. You can write in mixed fraction or you can write in decimal. 5 times 4 kilometer per hour. Distance traveled, you just need to add it up because he is returning back to the same point. You have question number 10, the last question from speed, distance and time. Question says that a distance 14.4 kilometer, I'll change this, distance equals to 7.2 kilometer, is covered in 2 hours 40 minutes. Time is 2 hours 40 minutes. Find the speed in meter per second. There are 2 ways to calculate. Either you can convert this one in meter, second, or get the speed in kilometer per hour and change it. So I am changing here only. 7.2 multiplied by 1000 meter, 2 into 60 into 60 plus 40 into 60. First you convert hours into seconds and this 40 minutes into seconds. 6 into 6 is 36, 36 into 2 is 7200 plus 6 into 4 is 2400, add it up, 0069. It is 9600 seconds. Speed in meter per second. Distance divides by time. Distance you write 7.2 into 1000 divides by 9600. Remove decimal from your 10. Cancel it. 1 0, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. You get 72 divides by 96. You can simplify this meter per second. I am leaving this way. Then question says that second part. With this speed, he goes to his school 240 meter away. So we take the same speed, second part. Speed is 72 divided by 96 meter per second. Distance is given and then returns back how much time he takes. So he is going to school and returning back. So total distance covered. Distance of school from his house. In book it is 240, I'll change it. Let's take it as 120 meter. He covers 120 meter while going to school and 120 meter while returning. So total distance is 120 plus 120, which is equals to 240 meter. Find the time taken by him. Time equal to distance divided by speed. You know the distance 240. Speed in meter per second 72 divided by 96. Reciprocated. 240 multiplied by 96 divided by 72. 24 10 times, 24 3 times. 3 times 3 2 times. It is 320 seconds. You can convert it into minutes or you leave the answer in seconds. So this is how we simplify speed. We can use distance in meter. The whole time you have to convert into seconds and then get the speed in meter per second. Same speed, distance. Why are we adding here? Because he is going and returning the same distance. So please do watch the video carefully and practice the sums. Learn how to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. meter per second to kilometer per hour. Look at the units and then proceed with the sum. Thank you very much. Stay safe.